responsibility. I honor my graduation. With untarnished esteem and loyalty. To my alma mater. The Herona Junior College. By doing and serving. That which is pleasing. To humanity. Country. And to God. Women's events like
She was born in Pinasling, Herald.
30 years ago, when I walked away from the gates of Herona Junior College, I told myself that someday I would come back to this school and serve as an inspiration to the youth. Every year, after graduating from college, and every time graduation comes, I ask myself, kailan kaya ako i-invite ng GJC para maging guest speaker? And every year I would answer myself, di pa panahon May, wala ka pang pwedeng ipagmalaki para patularan. So when I received the invitation of Dr. Cuenco, my answer was simply, thank you, it's my honor. Because her invitation is the fulfillment of that dream. So again, thank you to Herona Junior College, to Dr. Cuenco, for inviting me to be a part of this occasion. Herona Junior College will always have a special place in my heart. I am not what I am today, if not for this school. It had not only laid foundation in my education, which prepared me for my quest for a diploma in college, but in my whole being as a person, because this is also the place where I first opened my eyes to the man I will love and live forever, Engineer Eloy Eclar. The same sky, but we have